In this video, you'll learn how to change the language on Trust Wallet. By following these instructions, you will be able to adjust the language settings to your preference, enhancing your user experience. Start by opening your preferred web browser. You can use any browser that is compatible with Trust Wallet, such as Chrome or Firefox. Once the browser is open, navigate to the search bar and enter the Trust Wallet website or extension. After you reach the Trust Wallet page, locate the extension icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the Trust Wallet extension icon to open it. This will display the main interface of the wallet where you can manage your assets and settings. Next, look for the gear icon labeled Settings on the main interface. This icon is typically positioned at the bottom or in the corner of the wallet interface. Click on Settings to access various configuration options. Once you are in the Settings menu, find the option labeled Language. This section allows you to change the display language of the Trust Wallet interface. Click on Language to proceed to the language selection screen. On the language selection screen, you will see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list to find the language you prefer. For example, if you want to switch to English, locate English in the list and click on it to select it. After selecting your desired language, the interface will automatically refresh, displaying all text in the new language. You should see the confirmation that your language has been successfully changed. This change enhances your interaction with the app, making it easier to navigate. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.